Welcome to the business page. In this video, we're going to be walking through adding a holding company or an investment fund within your business. Begin by selecting Add and enter the name of your business fund. Next, select the province or territory the business is registered in. As you scroll down the page, you can input the combined total value of the fund, the book value, and the annual expected rate of return of the investments. If your investment fund has investments that pay dividends, select Yes, and input the values of the annual dividends generated. Under the Operational Earnings and Contributions section, input how much you plan to reinvest into the fund each year, and if you plan to invest more each year, input that growth rate. Using the table below, you can manually override any investment for each year, or if you plan to stop investing in the holding company at a point in time, you can select 0, click the arrow to zero it out. The taxation page will allow you to input all your unique taxation surrounding the business. If you hover over the icons, it'll help you identify where to find this on your most recent tax return. If you have a personal loan within the fund, you can select Yes and input the value of the outstanding repayable loan. Once all required fields are completed, select Add.